boat. You come outside, you're like, yo, you seen a boat? There was a boat right here. Oh yeah, I saw some black dudes take it. I thought they was with you. You know what's even worse? They'll take the boat while you're on it. Like you could be on the boat, like on the Horn of Africa, just chilling, partying. Like, look, I got a yacht, son. Then you look in the front of the boat and you see this crazy mother. We are going to take your boat. We are going to take your boat and we're going to kill everybody on the boat. But before we do, I have CD and DVD for sale, Louis bag, Coach bag, Rolex watch.
Someone gotta deal with these Somali pirates. Finally.
Every time I come to Columbus, man, I forget how many Somalians are here. Jesus, they're so deep. They run the airport. Run it. TSA, Starbucks, baggage claim. That is home base. So many. Like I watch all of Ohio State's football games. There's 100,000 people at every game. I don't see none. I don't see no Somalians in the horseshoe because they at the airport. You're thinking I'm in the movie Captain Phillips. Like I fall asleep and I wake up. I get off the plane, I go, did we get rerouted? Oh, this is Columbus. Okay.
Somalians are everywhere. Someone gotta do something about it.
Look at me. I am the captain now. I was told that I look like the Somalian pirate that robbed Captain Phillips. I'll take it. You know, I'll take it. It's better than what I seen on the internet yesterday. You know, someone said I look like Chris Crackrock. It was my mom. It was my mom. Don't worry, she's blocked from all social media. Yeah. But my mom was actually an entertainer. You know, she was a magician. She made my dad disappear. I know I look like I got a drug addiction, but it's just starvation, you know? Like, I won't sell my body for drugs, but I might blow a guy for a meatball marinara.
Oh, look at that. The Somalian, that's actually funny. He's making fun of himself. A great sense of humor.
I'm from Somalia, my guy. Ethiopian. So close. You know why I love seeing people from Ethiopia and Somalia? You know that saying, eat your food, they're hungry children in Africa. My grandmother used to say, eat your food, they're hungry children in Somalia. Yes, you know why? You know why? Because of the media. We used to watch the same documentaries you guys watched about those starving children. But the difference between us and you is we knew where those kids